This video explains how to complete the diversity reflection assignment. After reading Chapter 8 in the ebook, take notes or annotate and complete the reading assessment. Next, view the following videos and take notes on these as well. So there are two videos here. Obviously, you'll watch one at a time. And again, the suggestion is to take notes while you watch. And so you can either do that on a Word document or a piece of notebook paper suffices. Once you've viewed both videos and taken sufficient notes, you're ready to create your journal entry. Click on the diversity reflection link. Copy the questions. Create your journal entry. Paste the journal questions, and you may now begin typing your responses. When you're finished, post entry.